Hi, this graph shows you a use case of Librado Silverline's workload management. What you can see is two containers, system and harvest. All resources have been allocated to the system container. The harvest container has 0 resources allocated. What that means is that any application that we put into the harvest container basically just gets resources when no other application needs it. This tutorial shows you how to set this up. So first of all, let's go to a Linux desktop. I'm going to open a terminal window, and let's make this a little bigger. I'm going to use the stress command a lot. It's a simple command that has some parameters where I can load stress onto the CPU. In this case, I'm just going to do the CPU factor. You can also do I/O, memory. So I've started a stress instance with CPU timeout of 5 minutes. The top command can show you that it's it's heavy on the CPU load there, 89% right now. So let's open another terminal window. And I'm just going to start another stress command just so that you can see what happens when two of them are running simultaneously. Timeout of, oops, hang on. Let's do a timeout of about 5 minutes, and what you'll see now is that both stress instances are sharing the CPU load. This is going to go up to probably about 50%, close to 50%. I'm not going to make you watch this for 5 minutes. I'll just fast forward. You can see they're all successfully completed. So if we look at my Silverline portal, I'm going to refresh here. And here you can see the load, pretty heavy load of the two stress commands, close to 100%, all in the system container. So let's go back. Let's start this again, but this time I'm going to do it with the Silverline command. So here you can see the parameters. The most important one is the harvest parameter. So if we Silverline harvest and then the stress command with the CPU 1, and I'm going to do a timeout of 10 minutes this time so that I can start another stress instance within the harvested instance. So timeout of 10 minutes. And let's go over to the other terminal window. And then here, I'm actually going to do 4 minutes so that it fits in nicely. Okay, again, let's fast forward to when these commands actually complete. How do you like that? And take a look at the graph. So let's refresh. Okay, so now you can see the blue is the harvested cycles, and the red is the system container. So if I zoom in here, I can actually, by clicking on the legend, I can actually take out some of the coloring so that it's easier to analyze. And you can see how harvest went down pretty much to 0 when system went up to its maximum. So you can imagine all the use cases here for background loads. This is ideal. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you'd like to learn more, please go to www.librado.com. Thank you.